How to fix access not available on TikTok Live Studio. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix access not available on TikTok Live Studio. To resolve this issue on TikTok Live Studio, you need to follow these steps and guidelines to ensure you meet all the requirements and troubleshoot effectively. First of all, you will need to verify that you meet all the criteria before attempting to live access Studio, such as you must have at least 1000 followers and you must be at least 18 years old. Also, your TikTok account should be at least 30 days old and you need to ensure that access to go live has not been suspended or revoked in last 30 days. Even after meeting all the requirements, you are not able to fix this issue, then you might need to contact TikTok support. To do so, first of all, you need to open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will need to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, you will reach to this page. Here at the top right, you will be able to see 3 horizontal bars. Tap on those 3 horizontal bars. And here at the very bottom, you will be able to see settings and privacy. Tap on this option. And now you will reach to settings and privacy. Here you will need to scroll all the way down and under support and about section you will be able to see report a problem option. Tap on this option. Here once you reach inside it, you can scroll down and at the very bottom you will be able to see chat with us option. Tap on it and within it you will be able to reach to the chat page of the TikTok bot. Here you may directly take help from the TikTok bot and solve your problem. In the message box, you can write access not available on my TikTok Live Studio and now you can send it. Now you will need to wait for the reply from the bot. Now here you will need to follow the instructions provided by this TikTok help text and by following it you will be able to fix access not available on TikTok Live Studio problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.